Hi everyone, I'm Brendan Moore, this is Chris Smith, Tom Hunt here on my left, and this is a really big day for us. Today is the launch of Inside TV at Cannes. Let's go have a look.
So guys, we finally launched Inside, our exciting new channel. We could not be happier between the three of us and everybody else involved. There was emotions overflowing, there was tears, but more than so, there was so much joy that we just want to really go and enjoy the channel and enjoy the night. Rounds on you, let's go.